previous video, oxygen in COVID-19. Today we are going to see about oxygen concentrators. What is an oxygen concentrator? An oxygen concentrator is a medical device that is generally bigger in size than a computer monitor. It works by concentrating oxygen from the ambient air and aiding the patient in breathing easily. How does it work? In today's polluted world, atmosphere air contains about 78% nitrogen and 21% oxygen. The last 1% consists of various other gases. An oxygen concentrator sucks the air, filters it through the sieve or filter, and releases the nitrogen back into the atmosphere. The filtered oxygen is given to the patient through a cannula. The studies have shown that these concentrators produce 90 to 95% pure oxygen. The World Health Organization in 2015 stated concentrators can operate and produce oxygen 24 hours a day continuously and may last up to 5 years. Difference between oxygen cylinder and oxygen concentrator. Concentrators work like an oxygen cylinder, supplying oxygen through the use of masks or nasal tubes. However, cylinders need refilling, while oxygen concentrators can work 24/7 using electricity. Oxygen concentrators are portable, easy to carry, alternatives to massive cylinders. When does a patient need concentrator? As most of the states in India are facing scarcity of oxygen right now, people should start taking the help of concentrators when their oxygen saturation levels drops below 94%. Notably, oxygen saturation level between 94 to 100% is considered safe and healthy. These concentrators are effective on patients whose saturation level does not drop below 90%, but they can be of help even for those with oxygen saturation dropping as low as 85%. Patients whose oxygen level drops below this point will require a better flow of oxygen than these concentrators can offer. How good are these concentrators? The experts claim that oxygen concentrators are not as good as liquid medical oxygen, which are 99% pure and are a good option for mild to moderate COVID-19 patients whose oxygen saturation level is at 90% or above. The experts say that these are not appropriate for ICU patients. One needs to take note that the concentrators are not the best option for those suffering from severe comorbidities and complaints, because they can only provide 5 to 10 liters of oxygen per minute, which may not be enough for patients who have severe complications. What are the types of oxygen concentrators? Basically, there are two types of concentrators: continuous flow and pulse dose. Continuous flow concentrators keep supplying the same flow of oxygen every minute. If it is not turned off, the pulse dose concentrators are a little smarter and read the breathing pattern of the patient and release O2 on detecting inhalation. In the second type, the per minute oxygen dispensation will vary. We will continue with the oxygen concentrators in the upcoming videos. Stay healthy, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.